Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Battlefront 2 error code 524. This specific error frequently appears when your EA account is registered as underage. EA's online services require players to be at least 13 years old. So, your first step is to check your EA account settings and confirm the date of birth linked to it. Adjust it if necessary to meet the age requirement for online play. Next, let's look at your EA account security settings. Some players have found success by temporarily disabling login verification. Also, an inactive EA account can sometimes restrict online access, so ensure your account is active. After making any changes, log completely out of your EA account and then sign back in to refresh your connection and apply the updates. While error 524 is often account-related, network issues can also contribute. A simple power cycle of your router and modem for at least 30 seconds can resolve many connectivity problems. Consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Additionally, flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address can clear up any lingering network conflicts. If the previous steps haven't worked, you might try creating a new console profile with an adult date of birth as a workaround. As a last resort, reinstalling Battlefront 2 can sometimes fix corrupted game files. If the error persists, it's best to contact EA support directly. They can investigate your specific account details and provide tailored solutions, potentially requiring age verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.